mis amores. I have this beautiful bowl mold which I have been wanting to use for ages. You can do so many things with it, and best of all, it's useful and not another ornament. Today, I'll be using resin, but I will be casting some EcoPool too one day, so keep tuned in. I've never used stickers in epoxy resin, and daisies are my favourite flowers, so I thought I'd give it a try and do something sweet and delicate, which is the total opposite of me. I was a sweet kid, but I was never delicate. I've already prepared my resin and I'm using ISTOYO 1:1 by volume. It has a medium viscosity, which I love. I'm also going to be using INTORESIN Non-Sync Aurora No. 1. They actually have a whole pack of different colours from 1 to 8, and I really love their colours. They're just so versatile. Everything I'm using today, I'll leave links in the description box with discount codes too. I'm also going to be using Non-Sync Glitters No. 1 and 4, which are also from INTORESIN. These glitters are super fine and the colours are divine. I'm going to add a small amount of the powder first. I only want a hint of colour, so it doesn't overpower the daisies. Just enough to make the bowl sweet and delicate, like me.
Alright, let's just admit it. That didn't happen.
You only need a small amount. Make sure to really mix the powder in to avoid lumps. Just look at the colour, how mesmerising. And it floats. Now I'm adding the light green glitter. Just a small spoonful. Amazing how it floats and it glistens. I did the same with the yellow glitter, just a small amount too, as we don't want to overpower it. Now it's perfect and ready to pour into the mould. I could look at these colours all day. There's just something about them that makes them magical. With the help of some tweezers, I'm dipping the stickers into the resin to hopefully avoid bubbles. Also, you need to make sure that the brighter side of the image is looking towards the outside. I did the whole outside. I decided to add some to the base. Again, making sure that the brighter side is in the correct position. Therefore, when you look into the bowl, you'll see the image clearer. I didn't want to jam-pack it with stickers, but it is up to you. As I still have some resin left over, I might as well use it in another mould. This mould is a crystal and it's just divine. And I still have enough for a heart mould, which I love turning into a pendant. This is the leftover resin I had, which I poured into the crystal mould. It's such a pretty piece, as it has a shiny and matte section. Just look how the glitter is just floating inside. Pure perfection. Wow, loving how the heart has come out. I added some flakes to the back and some black UV resin. Just look how it glows. I also had enough for this small crystal cluster mould from INTORESIN. I also added some flakes and black UV resin to the back. These are my hot sellers. I turn them into rings and customers can't get enough. Time to do mould. I'm spraying isopropyl alcohol down the sides and giving it a bit of a squeeze. This will help me release the piece. I'm loving how it turned out. Gorgeous and delicate. Perfect for a kitchen table. It's given me breakfast vibes. Don't forget to hit the boop like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm using a deburring tool to cut away any sharp edges. Keep watching for the end results. Toodles!